Okay, well, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. It's Sunday again. They come out very quickly. And we have some groceries from Tita. Tita, thank you so much. And this...
Yeah, this is for Ate Talia. Tita is supporting them monthly grocery for the family to help
for the
single mother.
Single mother. Now remember. And this is a list. Do we keep this list?
Yeah. The total of 1,000 pesos. 10 pack of brown coffee. There's some biscuit, canned goods. That's it. Yeah, so thank you so much, Ma'am Tita. It's a big help for the family, especially that she stands as a mother and a father on the kids that she got. Pasalamat lang ni Tita.
Thank you. Salamat ka, Ma'am Nita. Thank you sa support, sa blessing. Lagit kanim bigan sa Pilipinas. Salamat kayo. God bless sa mga panalangin gihatag.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ma'am Tita. Have a good day and God bless.
Answer prayer, answer prayer.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ma'am Tita, because that grocery will help the family, and at the same time for Brian from Ontario for the monthly. Thank you so much. Thank you on behalf of the family. God bless.